to Best English Online.
Let's begin with part 1, listening practice. Please listen attentively.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. I am Tom. What's your name?
Nice to meet you, Tom. I am Anna. Where are you from?
I'm from South Korea. And you?
I'm from Brazil. What do you do?
I'm a student. I study science. And you?
I work in a hospital. I'm a nurse.
That's interesting. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books and going for walks. What about you?
I enjoy playing soccer and listening to music.